Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Safepal to Binance. So firstly, you have to go to your Binance account and open your Binance account. Then you have to go to Assets, then select Wallet. After that, you can see there are two options. You have to select Receive Tokens via Address. Then it will take you to this page. Then there you can see your wallet and your wallet address. Copy your wallet address from here. After that, go to your Safepal account, log into your Safepal account, then select send, then again select send. As you can see, I have selected BTC. So after selecting your currency, again send, select send. Then here you have to paste your Binance address. After pasting your Binance address, select the amount you want to transfer, then click next. Then your money from Safepal to Binance will be transferred via your wallet address. Thank you for watching this video.